Velform Chin Wrap System to reduce double chin. I'd say this product is fair. It has worked for me, and I feel significantly better about the way I look now. However, I did also reduce my caloric intake and began exercising more, so I'm sure those things also helped out. Initially I was kinda peeved by the 1.5 ounce cream bottle, but that size is more than enough really. The biggest issue I have with the product is how special you look while wearing it. I refuse to be seen in it, so I have to tactfully plan my usage time. Beyond that, however, I'd say this product is a good supplement to other weight loss measures. Velform Arm Wrap Kit. Trim, firm and flatten in just 30 minutes a day. Convenient Velform home spa treatments help you look slimmer while your skin feels softer, smoother, and tighter. Based on a European formula, Velform gels work with the wrap's time-released micro-capsules to firm and tone. Each kit comes with travel bag, wrap, and gel. Diva Darling Diva Wrap, one size. Darling girls. I'll tell you how bath time makes you feel like you need a little privacy. Sometimes the only thing you want is to stay under wrap. And as long as you're being secretive, I'll help you button up all of your confidential little details. Shrink Wrap 120x55 clear bands for standard mason jars. Work well, but seem tall for a mason jar. I actually cut them in half lengthwise and they fit a standard 1-2 pint ball jar, the 4 ounces quilted ball jar, and I imagine they fit all other standard size ball mason type jars. The diameter is perfect.